Hey there, the question says a wholesaler offers a buy 10, get 2 free deal. Wow. A retailer pays for 10 articles but physically receives 12, obviously. The retailer then sells all 12 articles at the wholesaler's normal per article price but gives his own customers a 10% discount on that price. Find the retailer's overall profit or loss percentage, taking his cost as what he actually paid the wholesaler. So, as I told you in previous questions, in many questions, that if the absolute value is not given, you can assume it to be anything. So, here, I will assume the price per article to be rupees 10. You are like, okay, you will assume 100 earlier, now it is 10. That is for the reason because there are 10 articles overall, right? So the price will be 100. Well, so from the retailer's point of view, okay, from retailer's point of view, I'm going to solve the question. Let's say I'm the retailer. So what exactly happened? I will write, in blue what, in red what has gone away. So 100 rupees have gone away. Why? Because if I assume every article will be priced at rupees 10, so retailer has bought 10, 100 gone away, but with blue, what he received 120. You understand that? So he has paid 100 rupees, but he got the what the commodities, the articles worth rupees 120 rupees or pounds, dollars, whatever. Now, what happens after that? He sells all 12 articles at the wholesaler's normal article per article price, that is 10 rupees only, but gives his own customer discount of 10%. Now, discount of 10%. So, as you see here, that this guy, this is the cost price for the retailer. This is the mark price for the retailer. Selling price is 10% after 10% discount. 10% of 120 is rupees 12. You can do it mentally, right? So, see, the thing is, the way I am assuming the quantities, it becomes easy for us to calculate mentally as well. 10% of 120 is 12. So 120 minus 12, 108 is the entire selling price. His profit is 8 rupees over 100 rupees. That is 8%. So answer is option C, profit of 8%. Thank you.